Hello everyone, I'm Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math JEE Academy. Today I'm going to discuss with you very interesting JEE advanced question. The question says the functions from close interval 1 to infinity to real number is a differentiable function. The initial value is given to f of 1 is equal to 1 by 3 and the given question is 3 times integration 1 to x f of t dt is equal to x into f of x minus x cube by 3. This is your complete your equations. Using that, how to find out f of x. So here is this kind of question. You have to use differentiation, but here integration is there. How to apply? Just use the Leibniz rule. Leibniz rule help us how to remove the integration to find f of x, right? So what is Leibniz rule says? If I have the function, let's take the phi of x and to psi of x, f of t dt. How to differentiate this function, right? How to differentiate this one? Let's take upper function is there, no? Upper function you can substitute in the function. So what is that? F of psi of x and differentiate the upper functions, right? Minus apply the lower function into the function, right? So what is that? F of phi of x and differentiate the lower functions. Clear? Okay. The same idea you can apply here. What is the question? 3 times you can apply the upper function. So what is the upper function here? X here. You apply into that f of x and differentiate the x, you'll get 1. And minus, you can see if you differentiate the one lower functions, it will be 0. So you leave that one as it is. Okay. Now you can see the right side. It's a product rule here. You keep x as it is. F of x differentiation, f dash of x plus f of x keep as it is, x differentiation 1, right? The same way you can see the next term 1 by 3 x cube differentiation 3x square. Clear? 3 cancel. Then what will get? 3 times f of x equal to x times f dash of x plus f of x minus x square. Clear? So now you can see you can form the differential equations, right? The first derivative is there and then the f of x is there, right? Okay. So I will take another page. 3 times f of x. You can see 3 times f of x. So what is that? 3 times f of x equal to x times f dash of x. So equal to x times f dash of x plus f of x, right? Minus x square, right? Minus x square. This is your functions, right? Okay, what you can do from here is you need to find the f of x, right? So how to find out? Just you can send everything one side here. So what will get? X times f dash of x plus f of x minus 3 times f of x, okay, minus x square is equal to 0, right? Okay, fine. So now you can see f dash of x, x into f dash of x minus 2 times f of x equal to x square. Clear? Okay. Now let f of x equal to y you can consider. Then how to rewrite this one? F dash of x is what actually? Dy by dx. You can replace here x into dy by dx minus 2 times y is equal to x square. Now you can form the differential equations, right? Clear? So now you can divide it by x both sides, because you can see here what is that? X is belongs to 1 to infinity. You can see x is non-zero number, right? You can divide it. Okay, so here right side will be x square, right? Okay. Now you can divide it both side. So dy by dx minus 2 by x into y is equal to x square by x. This is equal to x. Clear? Now how to solve this question? You can see it's a linear differential equations, right? So what is, this is actually what p. P here is minus 2 by x and q here is x, right? So now you can calculate the integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integration p dx, right? So e power, what is p? Minus 2 by x into dx, right? So you can take minus 2 out, integration dx by x, right? So e power minus 2. So, if you differentiate the x, you are getting the numerator, right? So you can apply the log x, right? Log x, right? This is same as e power log x power minus 2. So, e and log will be cancelled each other because it is inverse. E and log are inverse to each other. Therefore, it will be cancelled. So then you will get 1 by x square. This is your integrating factor. Okay, fine. Then how to find out the solutions for this? We need to find the f of x, right? So solutions will be y into e power integration p dx q into integration, let's take, just you can see. So q into, integration q into e power p dx plus c, right? This is your differential equation, linear differential equation solution, right? Then how to solve this? So y into, what is e into e power integration p dx? That is, we already calculated, is 1 by x square, right? Okay. What is q here? Q is x. This is 1 by x square plus c, right? So y by x square is equal to 1x will be cancelled, right? You can see it is integrating, dx you have to multiply. Okay, fine. So integrating x, 1 by x into dx plus c, right? Okay, good. Now you can see what is the integration dx by x. This is log x, right? So y by x square is equal to log x plus c. Okay. Now you can multiply by x square on both sides. So y is equal to x square log x plus cx square. Now how to find out c here, right? C is given to you. C is, we need to find out, no? So what is the initial values condition is given? 1 by 3. F of 1 is equal to 1 by 3. You can use that idea. F of 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Just you can, this is f of x, right? Just you can apply x equal to 1. You'll get 1 by 3. See here 1. If you put here, so 1 into log 1. Well, log 1 will be 0 plus c into 1, right? So c is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. Then, so how to find out the function here? F of x is equal to, so x square log x plus c is what actually? 1 by 3 x square, right? Okay, fine. So this is your original function f of x, right? Then how to find out the f of e? You just substitute e here. E square log e plus 1 by 3 times e square. The log e will be 1, right? Because these two are inverse each other, right? E square plus 1 by 3 e square. E square, if you take common, 1 plus 1 by 3. This is 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 e square. 4 by 3 e square is your f of e. Clear? I think all of you understood, right? Here the trick is you have to use Leibniz rule, and then second thing is you have to use the differential equations. to find the f of x, right? Okay, fine. We'll do the next question quickly. So what is the next question here? Yes, this question is next question. The function from open interval 0 to infinity to r, f of x is given to you 1 by x to x e power minus t plus 1 by t, right? Okay, by t. So what idea we can apply here? So you can see the first option, you can see monotonically increasing. The function is increasing means you can see slope will be positive, right? That means f dash of x should be greater than 0 for all x in the interval, right? So the same, the last problem we discussed using the Leibniz rule, we differentiate the integration, right? So the same idea you can apply here. What is f dash of x you can apply? What is f dash of x? You can apply the upper function. What is upper function here? E power minus x plus 1 by x, right? Yes, by x. Okay. This is upper function, you substitute and differentiate the x, you will get 1, no problem. Next, minus lower function you can apply. What is lower function? E power minus 1 by x plus 1 by 1 by x, that will be x whole divided by 1 by x. If you differentiate this function, 1 by x differentiation is what? Minus 1 by x square, right? So you can see e power minus x plus 1 by x whole divided by x minus e power minus x plus 1 by x into, so 1 by x is sent to the numerator, x into minus 1 by x square. It will be cancelled, right? Then you can see f dash of x equal to, what will get? E power minus x plus 1 by x divided by x minus e power, you can see here already minus is there, minus into minus plus, plus e power minus x plus 1 by x, yes, divided by x. Okay, you can see the 2 times is there here, right, expression. So therefore this is f dash of x is equal to 2 times e power minus x plus 1 by x by x. Clear? Then how you can check the increasing functions here? Increasing means the slope will be positive, f dash should be greater than 0, right? So greater than 0, how to check? You already know that e power minus x plus 1 by x is always greater than 0, strictly greater than 0, right? For all x belongs to 0 to infinity, right? And also you can see the f dash of x is depends on the 1 by x, because you know that 2 is positive, e power something is always positive, and here x is, it depends on the x only. F dash of x is greater than 0 or less than 0, it will deciding factor. But here is x is what is belongs to, x is belongs to what? X is belongs to 0 to infinity, open interval. So you no need to take the negative numbers. Okay, so if you take any real number from 0 to open interval 0 to infinity, so f dash of x is always greater than 0. Okay, therefore it will be increasing from 0 to 1 also, 0 to infinity. Okay, but it particularly it is monotonically increasing on 1 to infinity. Clear? This first option is correct. Why it is correct? Because first derivative is greater than 0. It is increasing, positive slope. Okay. Second one, you can see the f of x is monotonically decreasing on 0 to 1. It's not possible, right? Because this function is increasing in 0 to infinity, right? because for all x you can take f dash of x is greater than 0, right? So definitely there is no chance to get f dash of x is less than 0, because all x is belongs to whole interval 0 to infinity, all are positive. There is no x value satisfies that f dash of x is less than 0. Understood? Therefore this is wrong, right? Okay, third one you can see, third one you can check quickly. F of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0, right? So what is f of x? What is f of x here? So 1 by x to x. So 1 by x to x e power minus x plus 1 by x by t, right? This is your f of x, right? Just you replace, this is f of x, just replace x by 1 by x. You have to show that the sum will be 0, right? Just I'm replacing x by 1 by x. Here is 1 by x. Here 1 by 1 by x will be x, right? 1 by 1 by x, right? X. So e power minus x plus 1 by x whole divided by t into dt, right? You have to show that it is equal to 0, right? Okay. Is it correct? 1 minute. T plus 1 by t, no? So sorry. We had to remove this. T plus, just 1 minute. Okay. This is t plus 1 by t. This is t plus 1 by t, right? Now you can check the sum is 0 or not. How to check it quickly? You can see 1 by x to x e power minus t plus 1 by t dt plus, you can see when you interchange the limit, you can put minus here, right? So 1 by x to x e power minus t plus 1 by t into dt. So you can see definitely this would be cancelled. So you will get the sum will be 0, right? So therefore third option is also correct. Third option is correct. It's true for all x belongs to 0 to infinity, right? Okay. You have to check the fourth option quickly, f of 2x, right? What is f of x here? What is f of x? Integration 1 by x to x, f of, just 1 minute. Okay, e power minus t plus 1 by t into dt by t, right? Okay, now you have to check odd function. Odd function means what? Replace x by minus x, then you will get minus of f of x, right? So odd function means what? Odd functions, it is symmetrical about origin, right? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x, right? Let's check the f of 2x. So this is actually 2x, you can see. So wherever x is there, we have to check f of 2x is an odd functions, right? Just you replace x by 2x, what will get? So 1 by 2 power x, 2 power x, e power minus t plus 1 by t into dt, right? Okay, now you have to replace x by minus x, right? Just replace it. So 2 power minus x, right? Understood? So just you can replace here. So what we'll get? So 1 by 2 power minus x, right? 2 power minus x e power minus t plus 1 by t divided by t dt. Clear? Okay, fine. So you can add these two things. What will get? If you add these two things, you can say f of minus x plus f of x equal to 0. then it will be odd functions, right? Okay. So you can see here, if you simplify this, so you can see 1 by 2 power minus x, how to write 1 by 2 power x is same as 2 power x. So 2 power x. So 2 power minus x, how to write 1 by 2 power x, e power minus t plus 1 by t divided by t into dt. Clear? Okay. Now you can see this one and this one, right? This is the first one. This is second one. So then how to rewrite this one? You can interchange the limit of this. Then it is equivalently minus you can see 2 power, sorry, 1. So how to write? Yes, 1 by 2 power x, 2 power x, right? I'm just, you can observe the first equation. Okay. I'm interchanging the limit, the second one. So you can put minus here, right? Front, right? So e power minus t plus 1 by t into dt, right? Okay. This is your first. Let us take this is second, right? You can add, this is f of 2 power minus x, right? Okay, add these two things, you can see, so both limit will be same and the function also same. Then here plus, here minus is there, right? So if you add these two things, you'll get 0, right? So finally, what we can conclude, f of 2 power x plus f of 2 power minus x equal to 0. Clear? Why it is 0? You can see the first equation, 1 by 2 power x is there, here 1 by 2 power x there. Upper function you see 2 power x is there, 2 power x is there. So you can see the integrand will be the same, here also integrand will be same. Okay. But the only difference here is here plus minus there. Add these two things, you'll get 0. That means f of minus x, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. That means f of minus x plus f of x equal to 0. Then we can say f of 2 power x is an odd function. Clear? Okay, good. So now the fourth option also correct. Fourth option also correct. Okay. So here is the complete based on the Leibniz rule ideas only, and some basic idea of increasing functions. F dash of x is greater than 0. But here is domain is what? Open interval 0 to infinity. So all our positive numbers, definitely it is positive. There is no x value satisfies this, such that the f dash of x is less than 0, because you are taking all the x values are positive. Understood? The first option, third option, and fourth option is correct. Okay. So if you like this video, you can subscribe it and share to your friends. Okay. And you can, if you have any issues with the solutions, you can comment in the below. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you.